Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Encountering the unidentified error occurred 2025 on your PlayStation 5 can be incredibly annoying, especially when you're in the middle of a game. This common issue often appears without much explanation, leaving players wondering what to do next. The good news is, many people have successfully resolved it with a few straightforward troubleshooting steps. Let's walk through them together and get you back to gaming. When this error strikes, start with the simplest fixes first. A full restart of your PlayStation 5 often resolves temporary glitches, so power it down completely, then turn it back on. Next, verify your internet connection is stable and strong. Sometimes network issues cause these errors. Also, double-check that your PS5 system software is updated, as outdated software can often be the culprit. If basic steps don't work, let's try some more advanced software solutions. Booting your PlayStation 5 into safe mode and choosing Rebuild Database can magically fix many underlying system issues by reorganizing your hard drive. Another useful trick is clearing the system cache, which purges temporary files that might be causing conflicts. For game-specific errors, completely uninstalling and then reinstalling the game can also make a big difference. If the error persists, the next step is often reinstalling your PlayStation 5 system software. This is a more drastic measure, but it can resolve deep-seated software corruption. You'll need a USB drive and a computer to download the latest system software from Sony's official website. Remember, this process will wipe your console clean, so back up any saved game data or media you don't want to lose before you begin. After trying all these steps, if the error 2025 still appears, it might be time to reach out for professional help. Contact PlayStation support directly. They can offer further diagnostics or guide you through a repair process. Sometimes, these errors point to an underlying hardware problem that only a certified technician can address. Be sure to tell them all the troubleshooting steps you've already completed to help them help you faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.